Christmas stuffy things. Kwanzaa's, happy holidays. We're in the shop.
The holiday gauntlet.
The light is lit, and no, I haven't cleaned up from the last video because holidays, lots of stuff, lots of work. Take some time off.
So many kids.
So many kids, but Santa Claus did me a solid even though Milwaukee didn't. And I'm going to show you why, but check it out. How cool is it, right? It's the track saw, and there's a little preview of something amazing you're about to see, okay? Because while Santa Claus, aka Jen, did an amazing job, I had to reach out to Vernon over at 3D Technologies for something. So I might have opened this a little bit because I want to show you something, and I needed to test fit it. So watch this. Boom.
Oh, that's pretty.
Immediately in the comments, come on people, I want to know who's the first that can see it. Okay, so if you guys don't know, the XLs, right, are, the track saw kit from Milwaukee, if you get it as a full kit. Weirdly enough, the full kit still doesn't even come with the track. So let's hope.
Which I didn't know.
This thing works with it. But I'm going to get a new one because I like the red one anyways. But it's filmed. It's supplied in an XL PACKOUT with foam and all the other good stuff. And I'm absolutely going to just not even point them out. I'm just going to do this twice. Okay, I can't.
They're pretty.
Look at them. Zoom in. Look at how sexy this thing is. So, of course, we reach out to Vernon. We're like, hey, so this one we did the tricolor. We got the white to let you know real quick that it's the M18. And then track saw, I think it stands out pretty well. I like the design, and this is what we're getting. You can see I haven't done really any unboxing of this thing. So, we have got our typical code, our manuals. Looks like we get a blade. Trash. Okay. Yeet. The track saw itself with, what the heck is that?
Aw, its name is Dave.
Yep. It comes pre-shipped with the pink and red Milwaukee blackout cover, arbor cover. And I'll go into that in a second. But let's see what else is in here. Come here, camera. Let's take a look. So we got foam-lined lid.
Stuff.
That's not that well, so maybe we'll do like an aluminum lid, and we'll do...
How has it already got a...
That's where the saw digs into it during shipping, but I say we do like an aluminum lid.
I'm here for that.
And then we'll do a cutout for that. So it's foam. It comes with a battery. I don't know what size battery it comes with, so we're gonna just use Milwaukee tools and see. So, okay, so it comes with an XC60 in a nice little bag. Okay.
No 5 amp hours for you?
Oh my gosh, if they shipped that with a 5 amp hour, that would be hilarious.
I still think it would have been funny if I would have absolutely swapped that box out with a whole box of 5 amp hours.
So that battery is dead. Let's, real quick, let's put one of our batteries on this. Okay. So then, in the foam, we have our dust collection, some silica.
So how long till we 3D print something for that?
I know, right? It does need, I mean, this right here, this is what's crazy is, look at, is there something under that? So we have some guide stops. We have a charger. Oh, there's our little code, which, you know, here, we're going to give it to them. We're going to let them register it.
First one to get it wins.
Comment below if you tried to register it. Okay. Charger, but... Oh my gosh.
That's so much empty, unutilized space.
Okay. So, Kaizen, Jonah Pope, 10 spot, I don't know. Or maybe just us. One of us needs to design a replacement. But let's go into Dave, right? So, here's arbor covers all over the internet, but Dave actually works pretty well. It's funny, I was reading the print site, and the guy was like, don't give me crap if it doesn't fit yours. This is a cast part, and some of these dimensions are different. This one in PLA is a little loose, but it doesn't fly off. But I might have printed a few other versions. And what,
A few?
And what's funny is that I'm going to show you on the Jake stand, but this, I did something new, which is we're starting to print some stuff in flexibles. So this is the Jake stand, and this is what we're going to be releasing. Actually, we're going to do an updated design of this, but this one is going to be now a new option, and then it'll go standard going forward. But if you've ever dropped your drill, you know that any 3D printed attachments to it sometimes don't withstand a fall. So this is impact rated, right? And I'm thinking, right, wood chips, things shattering, exploding, so why not do these? So I did a bunch of different iterations, and honestly, until I just designed it over again and used my own, that kept happening. I got it a little bit tighter.
That's what she said.
But, boom, final version, ball detents, nice and held in place. And I think we're going to even offer it to where people can put their name on it.
Custom logo.
Right, so we'll do the logos on it. We've got new filament from bamboo that allows us to do multicolor and do it in a TPU. So that'll make it a lot easier. So this is like, you know, everything that Milwaukee should have done when they released this. I think minus the foam, we've done it. You know, we got cool latches. We can see what's in here. We've got our arbor cover. And the last but not least, let's find out, in case the internet, I don't really want to look it up. I just want to put it on and try it. But this is the Fez tool track. And this is the Milwaukee saw. So let's see. It does fit.
Nice.
A little bit of slop, but that's what these are for. But I think the red track is going to be better anyways. Don't you agree?
Yes.
You
It will match everything in
It
here.
will-
I was trying to figure out what part's going to be red. Just the green strips or the whole thing?
Whole thing is anodized red.
Well, that's pretty.
Right.
Is it shiny or is it matte?
It's a matte, and then it's got black accents on it.
Ooh.
Yeah. So if you are in a pinch or you're upgrading from a corded saw to a cordless, you can use your existing tracks. And I don't know what else there is. I mean, what else do we got going on? Or are we doing that in a separate video?
There's so many things that if we spent all day, we'd be here all day. So how about we hold on to that for next week so they can stay tuned.
Can I put Dave back in
You
there?
can put Dave back in his box.
I mean, tell me I'm not wrong that we need to do our aluminum lids with blade holders in the top.
You're not wrong. But
Okay.
I also want to know, are we naming all of our tools now just like we name all of the printers?
I think we should. I think we should. I mean, this one, when I print that with multicolor, I think its name is just Dave now.
I'm here with that.
So if you want to get any of these latches, you can head over to 3D Technologies. Link is in the description for him. And if you want a TPU Jake stand, it's not on the site yet, but just shoot us a message and we'll, help you out. And if you're looking to go with one of these ones that we designed with the TPU in mind and a name on it or something like that, hit us up.
I would conservatively estimate that my availability to have that on the website will be by this time next week.
Yeah, but people can comment below, let us know they're interested. They can shoot us a message and we'll, have it going. And now I have one less tool in a box, so I can move on to other greater.
Yeah, but now I've lost my footrest.
I need to move this back in the house. I mean, that's fine. I'm okay having more tools in the house.
I mean, as long as I can use it as a footrest.
Okay, well, I'm going to go pack out. I'll see you guys later.